Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the ASUS TUF Gaming A15 driver. So open any browsers to Google search box to like that. After that you can see first link asus.com is officially website. So just click on it. After that click on support and then click on driver and manual. Then type just model number. Select all driver, all type of versions, driver installations process same. Then click on driver and tool. Now this is your model number of, and if you change to, you can just click to another model and select it. Scroll down. This is audio driver, so you can see this is applications, this is exact audio driver, and click to download. So after you can see it is start downloading. It will take some time and depend about your internet speed. So it is completed, then just open it, single click. Then click on yes, then click to OK. Next, I accept, next, next, and installed. Okay, you can restart your system.